Swiss scientists have unveiled the quirky world of sneezing, revealing it's not just a mere reflex. Did you know that the average person sneezes 20 times a day? That's over 7,300 sneezes a year. What's even funnier is that every sneeze can accelerate air out of your nose at 100 miles per hour. Talk about a sneeze speed record. And here's a kicker. It's believed that sneezing can be contagious, just like laughter. So, the next time someone sneezes near you, remember, it's not just a cough, it's their nose's way of having a laugh too.